In just 7 days, this specific green blend can flush out trapped waste and stop bloating permanently. Today, I'm showing you the exact liquid medicine recipe I use to reset my gut.
I'm the spiciest one here. No, I'm the zestiest. Guys, stop. We're all
Most
healthy.
smoothies are full of hidden sugars that actually cause more gas, but we are using 3 specific ingredients that act as a reset button for your digestive system. I'll show you how to prep this in under 5 minutes, the best time of day to drink it for maximum absorption, and the one ingredient you must avoid if you want to see results by day 3. Before we blend, you need to understand the why. This detox is built on 3 pillars: alkalizing, inflammation reduction, and gut healing. We'll be using standard fruits for flavor, but the secret lies in the healing additives: ginger for digestion, turmeric for inflammation, and dandelion or cilantro for heavy metal detoxing. If you've been feeling sluggish or bloated, your body is calling for a change. Day 1 to 3 are about the deep cleanse. We focus on green chlorophyll to oxygenate your blood. The recipe: 2 cups of spinach, half a cucumber, 1 green apple, and the juice of half a lemon. The healing secret: add a teaspoon of spirulina or fresh parsley. Parsley is a powerful kidney cleanser that most people overlook. By day 4, your body is starting to adjust. Now we add antioxidants to protect your cells. The recipe: 1 cup of blueberries, frozen is fine, a slice of fresh ginger, and coconut water. The healing secret: we add a pinch of black pepper and turmeric. The pepper activates the curcumin in the turmeric, turning your smoothie into a powerful anti-inflammatory tonic. The final 2 days are about restoring your gut lining and prepping your body to return to solid foods. The recipe: half an avocado for healthy fats, 1 banana, and a cup of almond or hemp milk. The healing secret: this is where we add aloe vera gel or flax seeds. These soothe the digestive tract and ensure your skin glows from the hydration. So friends, healing is not a destination, it is a daily smoothie detox. We